Ready to turn your online advertising into a real estate closing machine? Let's dive into how Follow Up Boss and Pixel work together to skyrocket your lead generation and conversion. First, let's connect the dots. In Follow Up Boss, head to the Integrations section. Usually found under Admin or Settings, find Pixel and click the Connect button. You'll be prompted to authorize the connection. Follow the on-screen instructions carefully, ensuring you grant the necessary permissions. Next, in Pixel, create a tracking pixel if you haven't already. This is crucial for monitoring the effectiveness of your campaigns. Copy the pixel ID and paste it into the designated field within the Follow Up Boss integration settings. Save these settings to activate the data flow. Now for the magic. Create smart lists in Follow Up Boss to segment leads based on the pixel and campaigns they originated from. Filter by source and campaign name to create targeted lists. This allows you to tailor your follow-up messaging for maximum impact. Automate your follow-up with action plans. Design sequences of emails and texts specifically crafted for each lead segment. For example, a lead from a luxury homes ad receives different messaging than one from a first-time homebuyer. Campaign personalization is key. Finally, track your results. Follow Up Boss provides detailed reporting on lead source performance, conversion rates, and ROI. Analyze which pixel and campaigns are driving the best results, and use these insights to optimize your advertising strategy. This data-driven approach is how you turn advertising spend into closed deals.